Hey guys, it's Lavinia and welcome back to my channel. I look like trash right now just because it's gonna be a really lazy day. I'm not gonna even get ready. So I thought, why not at least do something productive and clean out my mess of a closet. I'd say I'm a pretty organized person, but sometimes when it comes to my closet, it's just so hard to not let it get to this point, just because when I'm trying to find stuff, I just start pulling things out and then everything else gets really messy. And I've been wanting to clean it for a really long time, but I've been focused on school and stuff, so I was like, okay, once I'm done school and I'm on summer vacation, I'll actually clean it out. So this is my first day of summer and this is what I'm doing with my day, just because I don't feel like going anywhere today. So we're gonna deal with this. So I have all of my clothes in here. Obviously I have the bags and stuff like that. We're gonna go through absolutely everything and get it all organized. And yeah, I don't know, I just decided to film this. I know I like watching organization videos, so maybe some of you guys would like watching them. So let's just get into it and hopefully I can get through all of this in one day. I'm actually watching The Age of Adeline right now because you need something to watch while you're cleaning. So yeah, let's get started. So I think I'm just gonna start with like this section right here. I have like all my crop tops in here, so I'm just gonna take everything out of here and refold them and everything. Alright guys, so I just finished with this section right here, and I actually color coordinated it, so like I have all my black crop tops and then colorful and then like white and these like darker colors right here. So now I'm gonna move on to tank tops and do really the same thing with these ones. So now the tank tops are done too, again color coordinated. So now let's move on to the real mess, which is like this mid section right here is where I keep like all my shirts, and then down here I keep all like my sweaters. This is gonna be interesting to say the least. Alright guys, so I'm done with all the shirts now. So I have like dressy black tops here. These are all like dressy tops, a lot of white. And then these right here are all like t-shirts. And then I put like back here the t-shirts that I don't really wear that often, just because I don't need them always like to grab. So there's everything so far. Alright, now so I'm going to do the same thing with my sweaters. This is what I'm dealing with right now. So I'm going to try to organize this and then show you guys what it looks like in a bit. Time to do my jeans now, so just gonna fold them again, color coordinated. And I have both like skinny and wide leg jeans in here. I'm not really gonna be too concerned about organizing them that way. I'm just gonna be organizing them by color. I'm just gonna do my pants, which are all down here. Pretty good so far. I just cleaned up these purses, put all like the chains inside of them so they're not as messy, and then now it's time to deal with these jackets in here, so I'm going to take everything out and start to organize them. I don't think I'm going to go through like this stuff in here. These are all just dresses, and they're actually pretty organized because I did organize them pretty recently, so I'm just going to leave that whole section. So yeah, I'm just going to take all of these out and all my purses out. Alright, so the only thing I left in the closet are these, and these are just like tops and stuff that I have hanging, so I'm just going to leave those in there because they're already like organized. So I'm just going to go through this mountain of stuff. Alright, so now I have like all my leather jackets, so I'm just going to organize them by color up here in the front, just because these are the ones like I really wear the most. So there's some blazers and jackets. Alright, so now I'm going to take out these purses and I'm going to go through them and really just get rid of anything I'm not using, because there's no point in keeping them around. If I can hand them off to someone that's going to use them more, I certainly will, because I don't use them all. So let's just go through them. Guys, this one is so fun and sparkly. I'm definitely keeping that. I got this bigger one. It's like a yellow color. I think I will keep this just because it's a nice color. I don't have many like that. This one I'm gonna keep. It's really nice for like vacation. This one I honestly never use anymore. Oh. Well, would you look at that? I found an old wallet with a bunch of stuff in here, so I'm gonna have to go through that for sure. Totally forgot this existed. But I think I'm gonna clean out this purse and then pass it along just because I'm never using it. This one I'm gonna keep. Should actually use this more because it's a really nice one. I think I'm actually gonna put this one up top with the ones I like to keep on display. Dude, I forgot one of my jackets. Guys, look at this jacket. It's actually the best ever. It's like a full-on fur coat, but it's so extra. This little one I'm probably gonna keep just because it's really good for like going out. This one I never ever use, like ever. So think about that. This is actually the same as this one. It's just in this grayish color. This one right here I do like. It's like a super casual one. Oh my gosh, I've been looking for these glasses for the longest time. So finally found them. This used to be like my purse. Like I used to wear this all the time. I don't really anymore, and there's so much in here that I'll have to clean out. Yeah, this was like my jam. The purse I have literally, oh my gosh, I still have like snacks and things. Okay, I definitely have to go through that, and I'll probably get rid of the purse just because I never use it. And the rest are some wallets. I have this purse right here too. Look how gorgeous that is. I might put that up top actually just because it's so cute. Alright guys, so here is the final look. Everything is nice and organized now, and I'm so happy about it. So down here I put all like my brown bags in there and black bags there, and then I have the two that I use like the most as my big bags out front just so it's easier to grab them. Pants, jeans, all my jackets and stuff like that. Sweaters, shirts, tank tops, crop tops, and then some bags up at the front. And then here I have dresses and skirts and everything like that, cardigans too. Alright guys, so that is it for my closet organization, closet clean out video. I hope you guys enjoyed, and thank you so much for watching. Make sure to give this video a thumbs up if you want more organization type videos. I want to completely reorganize my room, just get everything really organized for the summer, so I'll definitely have to dive into my makeup collection and organize a bunch of that stuff and my shoes and everything like that. So if you guys want to see more of these organization type videos, let me know down below in the comments, and leave a thumbs up on this video to let me know that you enjoyed it. Please subscribe if you haven't already, and I will see you all in my next video. Bye guys!